This is All India Radio. Whispers of the Wind. All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasad presents science serial Whispers of the Wind, based on understanding and managing climate change and global warming. Let's listen to episode number 27, entitled Beneficial Impacts of Climate Change.
Akash, pass me those chips.
No.
Akash, Mummy, look, he's not giving me the chips.
Oh, children, why are you fighting?
Akash,
Akash, give your sister the chips.
Okay.
And listen to me. Do not throw the wrapper here and there. Akash, you threw it again.
But Mummy,
Pick it up
Yeah.
and throw it in the dustbin. It's not good to throw the remains here and there. Put them in the trash bag. Do you understand?
Mummy, please, let's have some freedom here.
Huh?
Though Papa is a professor, but you are giving lecture, and that too in park.
Okay, my son. Okay. But you should learn something from your sister. Look at Vani. She's collecting all the leftovers. You can help her doing it.
No, Mummy, I don't want to.
Akash, listen to your mummy.
Papa.
Akash, what I'm saying, listen to your mummy. After that, we shall have a cricket match.
Okay.
Ladies versus gents.
wow, that will be great, Papa. Do you remember? Last time we defeated you.
No.
How can you say like
Yeah.
that? Papa, this time we shall win and defeat them.
100%.
No, Mama, we will win.
No, Papa,
No. We will win.
Akash, we'll win.
No, we
Hello, my young friends. Why are you fighting?
Uncle, actually it was about a cricket match.
Oh, you are now grown-ups. But it is natural to have a tussle between brother and sister. Good morning, Mrs. and Mr. Shantanu.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What a good thing that you all are enjoying your weekend.
Mr. Sehgal, what a pleasant surprise. Welcome, sir. How are you?
Oh, I am fine. And what about you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Great. And my young friends, you're fighting on which issue?
No, Uncle, we were just...
Nothing, sir. Kids are just arguing. No fight, no tussle.
Yeah. By the way, Uncle, would you like to play cricket?
Oh, no, my young friend. I had my walk and now I'm very much tired. I just want to relax and sit, but I will enjoy your match. I will see it.
Okay.
Uncle, don't worry. Please take a seat. Shall I bring you some tea?
Oh, it will be very nice.
Okay, Uncle. Mummy has brought it from home in a thermos.
Yeah.
Great.
That'll be absolutely good, Vani. Pour a cup of tea for Uncle.
Yes, Mama.
Akash, last week I enjoyed cricket match in Dharamshala.
Oh.
Mr. Sehgal, you visited Dharamshala just to enjoy cricket match?
Oh yes, Professor, why not? It is good to have some adventures in our lives.
Wow. Papa, can we too have some adventures?
Yes, Akash, let the monsoon pass. Then we shall plan outing for some adventure.
Oh, Papa, but the weather is unpredictable. Have you not heard about heavy rains in Uttarakhand?
Wow, such an intelligent reply. He is raising a question on the climatologist.
No.
Weather changes with time and it is different in nature in different season. It does not change just for the sake of change.
Oh, but Uncle, my purpose was not to raise question on your profession.
I know, my young friend, but the only negativity is that we see climate change in negative perspective. Nobody is caring about the positive impacts of it.
Positive impacts?
Uncle, here's your tea.
Oh, thanks a lot. Ah, it's very nice.
Uncle, I've never heard about positive impacts of climate change. In fact, nothing has been taught in our school about it.
Yes, Uncle. Vani is absolutely right. But it would be interesting to know about the positive impact of climate change. Uncle, can you tell us something about it?
Why not? Why not? I will share it with some examples. But first, let me finish my tea.
Yeah, yes.
Uncle, you enjoy your tea with Mama and Papa. In the meantime, we can have a round of the park.
Oh,
Yes.
that's great. Go, 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 go.
Yes, Vani,
Yes,
hurry up.
Papa.
Let's go for a round.
Yes,
let's
let's go.
So, how was the tea, Mr. Sehgal?
Oh, it was really nice.
Sugar was okay?
It was indeed.
Would you like to have some more?
Oh, no. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mr. Sehgal,
Yes?
I participated in the international seminar that was held in Dehradun last month.
Okay.
It was on climate change. It is my favorite topic. And I too participated in the open discussion.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you. Many experts were of the views that it is happening and nobody can deny it.
Yes, Mr. Shantanu. And many people and experts are now expressing their views openly on it.
Like,
But still, we are far away from the reality. It is very difficult to find out some good examples that have created positive impact.
Oh.
Few students are doing research on it with me, and they also brief me from time to time.
But Mr. Sehgal, do you think there's some reality in climate change?
You mean?
You see, these days it's becoming difficult to even have fresh air to breathe. I read somewhere that crops production is going down, temperature is rising day by day, and winter season is limiting to only a few months.
you're right, Asha. And Mr. Sehgal, don't you think concept of 4 seasons may not be likely anymore?
I must say that both of you are very much right. But here I would like to say that something new is also happening.
Oh,
These were not there earlier. We can see some positive impacts on our lives. For example, the life cycles for some crops have increased.
Mr. Sehgal, in that seminar, some scientists were talking about the positive impact of climate change. Even production has increased in some cases. In colder regions, it will be possible to grow crops in future. For sea travel and sea trade, it's going to be boon. It will help in trade and travel through sea routes.
Right. See, you all may be thinking what they said is ridiculous and how it can happen. It is not possible what they are claiming.
but Mr. Sehgal, do you think it's really going to happen? I mean, if it'll happen, then it'll be magic.
Exactly.
But don't be surprised, Bhabiji. There is a need to give a thought on it.
We are back.
Look, the kids are back.
Mama, what magic were you talking about?
Yeah.
See, this discussion is equally important for them to know also.
Yes.
Uncle, we will also participate in your discussion.
Sure.
Wow, that will be great.
Yeah.
Uncle, we met our class teacher on the track. He is very regular with his morning walks and told us that he takes 9 to 10 rounds daily.
Yeah, and Vani, you got exhausted just in one round. You lazy girl.
Akash, I am not a lazy girl, okay? And you know what? I can beat you in the race.
Okay, let's try then.
Okay,
Come on, let's go.
children. Akash, just wait a minute. I think it's not her fault. It is due to air pollution.
Air pollution?
Yes. And I must say that you know well about the negative impacts of climate change.
Yeah.
But I shall tell you some positive impact that we are experiencing.
Positive impacts.
Yes, you might have heard about untimely death during winters. But now the duration of winter is reducing and temperature is rising.
Okay.
Thus, less casualty.
Ah.
Earlier, some areas were getting less rainfall, but now they are getting sufficient rains. This change in rain pattern is all due to climate change.
Oh my god, it started raining heavily. Come on, pack your stuff. Take that bag. Yeah, come, Asha, yeah, I'll pick that. Vani, yeah, yo, come, let's go.
Get into the car, kids.
Mr. Mr. Sehgal. Feel at home.
Yes.
Be
please come
comfortable.
in.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Uncle, you were talking about the positive impacts of climate change.
Yes, I was.
Uncle, we want to know more about it.
Akash, that is why I am here. And you know, your papa was telling about the international seminar on climate change.
Yes, Mr. Sehgal. But it was difficult to believe. But they have backed this research with some data. Through a model on climate change, it has been assumed that there will be an increase in crop production due to climate change.
So, what are you saying? Papa, we heard that climate change can harm the crops.
Yes, Akash. Some experts presented facts that in general, insects infection aggravated with rise in temperature, and some crops diseases caused more harm due to climate change. But they were of the opinion under some circumstances their effects can be neutralized.
But Papa, our teacher had told us that change in climate is very harmful to food crops.
Here, Akash. There are some facts to be known and understood properly. See, global warming is a natural phenomenon that causes and brings change in the climate. So, there's a simple funda to understand and know that climate change brings some positive impacts also.
You're right, Bhabiji. Due to global warming, temperature will rise and it causes excess of water evaporation and vaporization. This humid air moves towards hot and dry land and causes heavy rain. Amazon forests are a very good example for the same.
Greenery in desert. Wow, that's very interesting.
The impossible becomes possible due to global warming. Wow.
Bhai Sahab, would you mind putting more light on this, please?
Why not? For example, increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is good for plants.
How?
See, increase in carbon footprint can also be of some use as it will increase crops yield.
Oh, but uncle, how is it possible?
See, Vani, this is because increase in carbon dioxide concentration will trigger the growth of plants.
Oh.
Thus, global warming will be helpful to change the ecosystem of the planet Earth.
Okay.
Vani, do you know? Change in ice age was also due to global warming.
Oh.
The ice got melted and paved conducive condition for plants and animals.
Very well said, Professor. And available data suggest that earlier the Earth temperature was comparatively higher than what it is at present. The higher and warmer weather gave birth to new species.
This means that the present situation of global warming can bring many positive changes.
Correct.
And this will catalyze the mechanism of evolution.
Mummy, what do you mean? You mean the present colder conditions on Earth are comparatively less favorable for evolution?
See, the temperature on our planet Earth is comparatively very less what it was earlier.
True.
According to geological time frame, it was about 22 degrees Celsius at that time.
Okay.
But now it is about 15.5 degrees Celsius.
15.5 degrees Celsius?
Yes.
Akash, even we can't deny the rise in water level of seas.
Yeah.
As this is a slow process and it is possible for us to get adjusted with the problem.
There are examples from historical facts. And you may be aware that rising sea level had submerged many coastal regions in the world.
What are you saying, Mr. Sehgal? I think there can be differences between experts on global warming. I mean to say, most of the people are of the view that it's ultimately going to harm our planet. I think there is a need to work on it to reduce its impacts on our civilization.
Mummy, these days global warming is a hot topic. One can see it on TV shows and can read it in newspapers.
Correct, Akash.
Last Monday, a lecture was held in a school. And it was told that our Earth is warming day by day. My science teacher is very much concerned about the problem of global warming.
Yes, Akash, you are right. Sir was telling that scientists are working on how to face the problem of global warming.
Conferences and seminars are held on it from time to share experiences. Efforts are on to trace and find out the real culprits of the problem so that they can be punished.
Very much correct, Professor Shantanu.
Uncle, can I share my view on it?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Uncle, when I heard that winters are going to be shorter, it made me happy.
And may I ask, why is it so?
Uncle, Akash doesn't like cold at all and hates taking bath in winters.
Now, Vani, ask him. Who is lazy?
Papa,
And what about you, Vani?
I like to take bath with hot water. What a good feeling to warm yourself with electrical heating system and a quilt.
This is okay, but too long summers are also not good. Temperature is rising, and in Delhi, it touched 48 degrees Celsius in summer.
Yes.
so Vani, you need not use the heater. There is enough sun heat to warm it in the water pipes. And uncle, our clothes also get dry very soon.
Yes. In summers, we use air conditioning system. A lot of power consumption means electricity bill on higher side.
Yeah.
People become lazy to go outside. Uncle, you know what? Akash generally avoids outing in summers. He's
Papa.
very lazy and tries to avoid going to school with lamest excuses.
And what about you?
No, children. You are diverting the topic. Let's talk sense.
See, if we take data from the past 10 years, I mean since 2009, the average temperature of our Earth has risen.
Yes.
It is clear, and there is no doubt on it, among the experts of the world. But how much it has risen and what will be the consequences is a great question to be answered.
Mr. Sehgal, I think you have answered it.
Yes. See, data shows that during last 150 years, the average temperature has risen 0.8 degrees Celsius. If global warming is continuing till the year 2080, even then we are safe.
Really?
It is estimated that the Earth temperature will rise by 2.2 degrees Celsius.
Oh.
It may not be that much serious as what we are thinking.
Who can say we may be alive or not?
Uncle, what will be my age by that year?
I can't say about that, but...
Children, don't take it lightly. Listen carefully what uncle is saying, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Kids, you will be surprised to know that global warming is going to be a boon for sea voyages.
How?
What a contrast! For land, global warming is a curse, and for seas, it will be a boon. How is it going to happen, Mr. Sehgal?
Bhabiji, here I'm talking about trade through sea routes. For traders, it is going to be a boon.
How?
You will be surprised to know that more ships are passing through northern sea routes these years.
But uncle, I don't understand. How is it going to be helpful?
My young friend, earlier the sea route through the Arctic Ocean was generally open for 3 months for trade.
Okay.
But global warming made it possible to keep the route open for a longer period and hence more sea trades.
But uncle, how is it going to happen?
See, Vani, on 30 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, the snow melts to make the route open for a longer period.
I think Arctic is the same place where polar bears are found, right?
Right, correct.
They are so cute.
Indeed, they are. Due to snow melting, the polar bear and other Arctic animals get more food to survive and flourish. This is very positive for them.
Yeah.
As the sea route through Arctic is shorter than the traditional routes, it is very beneficial for traders to have good profit.
But Uncle, the ships can have some other routes also. What is the need to follow the Arctic route? Why profit at the cost of our planet Earth?
My son, do you know the Northern Sea route is about 6,000 kilometers shorter than the Southern Sea route?
Correct.
6,000 kilometers.
Yes, lots of saving in time, manpower, and fuel. Ships can have more routes to transport goods from one place to another. And you know, this is a win-win situation for the traders.
Right.
You see, that is your point. But melting of ocean glaciers and snow, it is not good for our environment.
Yeah.
The geography of the region is also responsible to influence the climate and its impacts.
Oh.
If the soil is rich in plants' nutrients, it can support the plants and crops even in less rainfall and during drought conditions.
True.
In such soil, the air can't pierce and evaporate water from the soil. In other words, the rate of water vaporization decreases. The crops use maximum water for their own survival and thus good crops yield.
I must say you're very right in your statement, Mr. Shantanu.
Thank you, sir.
For agriculture and crop cultivation, it is good to keep in mind the soil condition of the region.
Oh.
If we talk about sandy soil, it needs good amount of water and the water get vaporized very soon. Or it gets percolated down to the water table.
Okay.
For grain production, this type of soil is not considered to be good. But sandy soil is good for seeds germination and many plants sustain very well in it.
And I think groundnut is a good example to support your views about sandy soil, Mr. Sehgal.
Sandy soil?
Yes, you know, it grows well in dry, sandy and humid regions.
True, very true.
There is one very popular saying. I can even put it in a formula form.
A formula?
Yes. Now look, more the greenery, more will be rainfall. More rain means good production. Good production leads to good economic condition. And good economy means prosperity. And finally, prosperity paves the road for development.
Wow, lovely.
Mummy, you are great. Very interesting formula.
Yes, my mummy is super.
Yeah, she's my mummy as well.
Okay, stop fighting on this. Asha, why don't you join our college to teach students?
Huh?
They will be impressed with your formula and will offer you the post in teaching.
Come on.
Okay. I would like to add some examples to make it easy to understand. The situation has been changed in the regions lying towards northern side. Vegetation and crops production have been improved in the regions of Siberia and Arctic.
Oh.
The tundra Arctic is good example of it. This is one positive impact of global warming. The temperature has been rising in the Greenland, but on the other hand, the wildlife's population is declining, and on an average, it diminished about 60%.
Mr. Sehgal, you can have many examples of its positive impact, but it can't negate the side effects that global warming is causing.
True.
What you're saying is absolutely true. But Mr. Sehgal, we have come to know about a new field that has been never highlighted in the World Forum. You see, even children take great interest in our discussion. That's the proof.
Yes, Mummy, you're absolutely right.
Yes, mummy, we enjoyed the discussion and learned many new things through it.
Well, Asha, don't you think you're missing something?
What?
Our guest is with us since last half an hour. And no tea, no snacks.
Mummy, I'm also feeling hungry.
Yes, mummy, me too.
Oh, what would you like to have, Mr. Sehgal?
Anything what you will serve. I think a sandwich and coffee would be a great idea.
Great idea.
Whispers of the Wind. You were listening to the 27th episode of this science serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, titled Beneficial Impacts of Climate Change. This episode was written by Shri Dilip Jha, translation by Savita Yadav. Coordinators were Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was directed by Sudarshan Kumar, presented by Dilip Jha and assisted by Diksha Sharma. Participants were Nikhil Diwan, Gaurav Devgan, Mamta Malkani, Pranchu and Mannat Nagar. Hey listeners, please stay with us. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky winners will get attractive prizes from Vigyan Prasad. The first question is, what are the positive impacts of global warming? And here comes the second question. In last 50 years, Earth has lost how much wildlife's population? You can send your answer by simple post. Our address is Science Serial Whispers of the Wind, Director Vigyan Prasad, A50 Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida 201309. You can also write on our email ID radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Please do write or mail us your full name, age and profession. If associated with Science Club, do let us know the membership of your club. If you have any query or question, do not hesitate to write to us. We will be back again with the next episode of this science serial, Whispers of the Wind, same day, same time next week. Till then, goodbye.